The idea would be in the workplace they would actually have one of these by the machine which they could use at any time. My name is Tony Toole and I work at Coleg Sir Gar in South Wales. Our project was all about the support of work-based learning. What we wanted to do was to use technology to improve the way we supported workers who needed training, needed support, actually on the job at the point of need. The operator will be using the mobile device in order to be able to do that. In the past, work-based training has typically been done in a training office, sometimes in a college, sometimes on the plant, but it is away from the point of use. If he needs to, he can go to a different part of the machine where
see it right in front of him.
See it right in front of him at the time he's applying it. What we're trying to do is to provide them with the training at the point of use when they're going to actually apply it. It's better because there's no time away from their job when they're doing this. We see training as being an extension of their normal guidance in their work, and so their skills development is integrated with their previous knowledge. Without the funding, this project would not have gone ahead. Clearly, the objective of UFI is to improve the use of technologies in supporting high-quality work-based learning. We have the same objectives.